Welcome back to TechnoSage YouTube channel. So AMD is going to end the HSH and new branding for 15 to 45 watts of mobile CPUs, and it's going to adopt from Stix Point the Ryzen AI branding that scale across multiple TDPs. As you can see, please note that starting from Stix Point, AMD will no longer distinguish between HUHS, but will use one SKUs take over the standard TDP of 15 to 45 watts. This will help reduce the complexity of operation and testing, but for users, we cannot simply distinguish the performance release level of different laptop through H, U, and HS series. Everyone must keep their eye open. The name of HX will be written, but as you can see, the current HX is not the definition of HX in the past because it is going to be called Ryzen AI 9 HX series or something like that. So yeah, HX 170, 105, things like that. So overall HX will be a high end, but still don't know. So we need to keep a look into it that it is 45 watts TDP or not. So yeah, consumers should keep an open eye, which is a weird thing to see. But Intel has changed the name to Intel Core Ultra. That's why AMD also did it, but they are going all in with AI. Next up, Qualcomm goes where Apple won't, and read as official Linux patch support for X Elite series, as you can see over here. So far, Qualcomm has most of the implementation done for the Linux specific version for Linux in 6.9 that was released not too long ago. These critical functions include UEFI based boot support along with all standard bootloader like GRUS and systemd. Dual booting is also possible for users who want to run Windows and Linux installation simultaneously on their X Elite powered machines. Other critical functions that have been implemented includes DWC3, sound drivers, reference board support, ADSP, CDSP support, multimedia, clocks, PCIe, and system caching through NVMe and PCI. So overall, Qualcomm is doing many things for the X Elite series to support Linux, which Apple doesn't do it. Like you can't do dual boot for Linux, even though Mac OS is based on Linux, kind of Linux, but you can't do anything else. You can't dual boot on Mac system, but Qualcomm is doing it. So pretty nice, and they are doing literally on ARM system, which is complementary. Lastly, NVIDIA is gearing up to tackle AI PC hand in hand with an all new chip, and they had partnered with MediaTek, which is interesting to see. Also, there was a rumor that was going on that NVIDIA is partnering with MediaTek for not just CPU but for a gaming handheld also. So, if this turns out to be true, then it will be a pretty interesting collaboration between two giants. MediaTek is also a giant in its own way for SoCs, and with their Dimensity series, they were taking over Qualcomm, but they can't take over completely. But yeah, in the mid-range segment, it's pretty nice. But yeah, this was the rumor that was going on. Like Nvidia could be teaming up with MediaTek to create a Steam Deck busting handheld gaming chip. So if that happens, it will also be nice to see. But yeah, that's it from me today. What do you think about the new sound? Of your thoughts in the comment section below? Like, share, and subscribe, and I'll meet you in the next one. Peace out.